was very fun. I enjoyed it.
It was at this moment that he knew. He fucked up.
Hi guys! Hi, I'm Gio Abraham. We are somewhere in Bangalore. And what are we here for?
Adventure sports.
Okay, yes, adventure sports. So, let's dive into it.
So today we'll be trying out sports like ziplining, kayaking, jet ski, speedboat, and I hope it'll be fun.
Yes! Yay! That is a challenge. Next time we'll go.
Bro.
Ah shit!
Flawless victory.
Nothing seems to fit. Those raindrops are falling on my head. They keep falling.
Only jump.
Need some talking to the
Level Okay, sorry guys. Hi guys. So this is the first activity for the day, which is ATV ride.
So yeah, I survived.
Right. Go. Give accelerator.
It was fun.
Do you think you'll die almost in the middle?
Yes, I almost I killed you as well.
Behind her, what did you think?
I saw Lord. I shall
No, it wasn't that
I
hard.
shall be religious more. I shall go to church tomorrow. I mean,
Were you praying in the middle?
yes. Please replay the footage. I was being very religious at that moment. Hey, nice. Go right. Brake. Keep the गाड़ी in your control.
How was your experience?
Okay, hi, my name is Madhumita. So we just tried ATV ride. ATV ride. It was fun. It felt like driving a toy car in like at the off-roading place. I got scared there though, but yeah, it was fun. I did it well. I'm proud of myself.
Hello guys, I'm Sam. The ATV ride was very good. The first round was very difficult because it was difficult to get adjusted to it. But the second round was good. Overall, we had fun. Now he got the hang of it, bro.
Now it is.
Yeah, no.
Fine.
There was a girl. Fair she thought she had the cat and calm.
It's like ziplining.
Oh my god, I'm going fast.
I'm spinning like a ballerina. I'm spinning like a ballerina.
This was a great experience, and this is the view here. It was great.
Gio. What are we doing today? Lake is there. We'll jump.
We'll push
I will
Sam.
zoom. Wait. No. Water sports. Safety notice. Hey, come here. I'll show you something. You explain.
You have to row the boat. Oh shit.
Guys,
Kayak,
we're
bro.
playing water sports today and we have the rules for kayaking. It's wear helmet and life jacket at all the times. It's helmet, not
You have to wear a helmet with a hole in it.
Close to the shoreline.
Hey, that is correct only.
Shut up. If you are a beginner.
beginner.
Then we can go.
Avoid strong currents.
And restricted area.
Restricted.
This moment, the
Titanic going down.
What are we doing?
We are doing
speedboat.
Who knows how to swim? I'm just gonna grab you. You know how to swim? No.
Hey, record that also. No, nobody knows to swim except Samrat. If any one of us, I know, thoda, not in the.
Hey, one at a time. I'll rescue you. I'm telling you.
He will rescue all of us.
will fall, bro. Pakka. I thought I will fall. Pakka, Hi guys, the most fun part of today was this. I liked how Ishank screamed. Bedana. It was fun to hear that and it was actually nice. Thumbs up. Let's go.
This was a very crazy experience which we had right in middle of the lake. They stopped and I was like, why did they stop? Did the fuel get over? I was thinking so much and then it was just for us to enjoy the view and it was nice, and the flipping part, as it was like grinding in the mixer, but it was great and we had fun.
Today's experience was crazy. This is the best part of today, and actually the most iconic scene was Ishank screaming, "Ana, beda, ana." He's the star. Yeah, bro, you're the star of today's show. So yeah, it was very great. We enjoyed it.
The boat ride was so crazy. We screamed throughout. There was a point we thought the boat would flip, but it did not. It was very fun.
What are we doing now, guys?
Kayaking.
Record what is written on the kayak.
You only live once, bro.
Bro, I don't want to live only once, bro.
How are you feeling?
Crazy.
Can you swim?
No, not at all.
Can you swim?
According to the human psychology.
Yes or no? Can you swim? Can you swim?
I am actually a pro athlete in swimming.
Prajakta is the one who.
Don't turn.
So the view is impeccable.
Where we are in the middle of the lake. I was a bit scared, but now it's gone. I feel like sleeping here. How was your experience of kayaking, Sam?
At first it was very difficult to
Kayak.
but now as I get the hang of it, it is very easy.
Yes, and
I recommend
it is,
everyone to do it at least once.
yes, and the view is nice. It is peaceful to just sit in the middle of the lake with this view. All around it is just water and us. Even though we fall to rescue, by the time people come, we'll drown. We might die.
Guys! Gio! Gio!
Hi. Prajakta trusts me, that's why she came with me.
No, Gio is being the passenger princess. I am doing the work now. Yes.
Not true.
Accept it, Gio. Accept it.
Okay guys, so we hope you all liked the activities that we did today and stay tuned for the upcoming videos. Sarapakaraib. See you next time.
Bye bye.